Hey guys, what is up? So we're back into another episode of our course, and this would be the last episode for this section of the course, which is the most important options that Filmora has. And right now we're going to cover the last thing that's on our main menu of our effects and stuff from the effects. So let's jump right into it because this is going to be a quick one and an easy one. We're going to cover up this split screen option, which is the last one in our menu right here that we have. So this is pretty simple. I'm going to show you how it works, and this can be used for animations and slide. It's not really anything advanced. It's really simple to use. So let's get this one, for example. As you can see, when you click on it, it's going to show you the preview with a couple of pictures, or yeah, it's pictures. So as you can see, you have a lot of different of these, and they have options. Once you add them right here, as you remember, they will have some options. So let's take this one and drag it right here. So as you can see, these options will pop up right away, and as you know, we need to have two videos for each of these right here. So I have this free drone footage that I'm going to drag in here and drop it. Note that you can double click, because if you double click, it's always going to drop it into zone number 1. If you're trying to get something to the zone 2, you need to drag it out. So I personally don't like using, it's not that I don't like using split screen, it's just I don't have the opportunity to use it. I don't need it actually. So I will use some sample videos for this, and I will get the countdown on the right side. So I'm gonna drop it into the zone 2, as you can see, and let's get a close preview. Yeah, it's so simple. Like, you have a video here, you have a video here. You can of course add even pictures. You can add multiply of these, and if you want a line right here, you will need this apply border, and if you don't want it, you can just uncheck it. You have a folder where you have your things already stored that you imported in Filmora. As you can see, current project. You can import stuff here by clicking this right here, and you have simple colors also. As you can see, these are just simple colors, nothing special. I don't think anybody uses this, as you can see. But yeah, that will be it for split screen options. Let's import another one. Let's undo this. And let's import another one, and I will show you how the other one works. So if you have, if you have more of these, of course you will have more zones, as you can see. So that's the only thing that I wanted to show to you guys. You can import in every single one of these different ones. So as you can see right here, if you click on different of these, you will be able to zoom in, to zoom in and out. So cool option to adjust the picture. That will be it for split screen options, of course, because as I said, this won't be a long episode. This is really simple to use, and this can be used pretty often. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope I will see you in our 2 to 3 last lessons, and that's about exporting the final product. Thank you for having me right here. Thank you for enjoying the course. Thank you for learning with me, guys. This is the same thing from our last episode that Filmora offered to us. So yeah, thank you guys. Make sure to leave a good rating on this course. Thank you a lot for learning with me. I'm gonna see you in our next episode.